Hello, smart manufacturers. MISUMI is at TAGMA again, showcasing its wide range of 6 million factory automation and press and mold components. But that's not it. Our people will tell you exactly why you should be visiting MISUMI's booth at the event. Let's hear it out from them.
Yes, so MISUMI follow the QCT model, high quality and low cost and on-time delivery. That is the reason.
I agree.
Yes, so we welcome you to our stall. When you visit our stall, our booth, you'll be able to discuss with our sales and technical experts. This will help you to get solutions to all your problems or issues right here, right now.
To explore MISUMI's new innovative products like linear motor actuator, conveyors, area sensors, and many more.
What about you?
And if you want to go for less pricing without compromising on the quality, then definitely you should visit the MISUMI store. And we have many more products to, in our basket like e-gas springs. So definitely you should visit MISUMI booth.
You heard it all, right? So now you can't miss visiting MISUMI's booth at TAGMA, hall number 3, booth number K37. See you there.